Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, darling.
There's 104 days of summer vacation till school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe building a rocket or fighting a mummy or climbing up the Eiffel Tower, discovering something that doesn't exist or giving a monkey a shower, surfing tidal waves, creating nanobots or locating Frankenstein's brain, finding a dodo bird, painting a continent, or driving our sister insane. This could possibly be the best day ever, and the forecast says that tomorrow will likely be 1,000,006 times better. So make every minute count, jump up, jump in, and seize the day. And let's make sure that in every single possible way, today is gonna be a great day. Crossing the tundra or building a roller coaster, skiing down a mountain of beans, devising a system for remembering everything or synchronizing submarines, racing chariots, taming tiger sharks, constructing a portal to Mars, building a time machine, stretching a rubber tree, or wailing away on guitars. This could possibly be the best day ever, and the forecast says that tomorrow will likely be 1,000,006 times better. So make every minute count, jump up, jump in, and seize the day. And let's make sure that in every single possible way, today is gonna be a great day. Hey, 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 hey. Let's put our heads together and design a master plan. We may miss dinner, but I know Mom will understand. We've got our mission and suppliers, yogurt, gumballs, and desire, and a pocket full of rubber bands, the manual on handstands, a unicycle compass, and a camera that won't focus, and a canteen full of soda. Grab a beach towel, here we go. This is fantastic. This could possibly be the best day ever, and the forecast says that tomorrow will likely be 1,000,006 times better. So make every minute count, jump up, jump in, and seize the day. And let's make sure that in every single possible way, seriously, this is gonna be great. This could possibly be the best day ever. Today is gonna be a great day.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil!